While Amazon KDP has rightfully earned its position as the largest self-publishing platform, it's important to remember that having alternatives is always a smart strategy in business. Just like you wouldn't want to rely on one source of income in any field, you shouldn't limit your publishing opportunities to just Amazon. Expanding your presence across multiple platforms not only helps to reach a wider audience, but it also serves as a safety net in case anything goes wrong with your KDP account. Sometimes authors get their accounts suspended for reasons that seem like small mistakes or misunderstandings, or Amazon might change their terms of service and suddenly introduce new policies or fees. It's the unpredictable nature of relying on a single platform that makes it a wise decision to diversify your options. That's why I've put together this detailed exploration of some fantastic Amazon KDP alternatives. Whether you're looking to reach new audiences or create multiple streams of income, these platforms are well worth considering. So let's dive deeper into these alternatives and see how they stack up in terms of their features, benefits, and potential to boost your self-publishing business. Let's start with Google Books. You might already be familiar with Google as a search engine giant, but did you know that Google also offers a self-publishing platform? Google Books is an incredible option for authors looking to expand their reach. The platform allows you to publish both ebooks and audiobooks, giving you more flexibility in the types of content you offer. What makes Google Books so attractive is the royalty structure. Google offers a 70% royalty rate on book sales in over 60 countries, regardless of the price you set for your book. Unlike Amazon KDP, which has a more restrictive pricing model, you have full control over how much to charge for your book. The best part is that Google Books' distribution network extends far beyond the US, which means your book could be seen and purchased by readers all around the world. If you're interested in building a truly global audience, Google Books should definitely be on your radar. Etsy, a marketplace for creatives and digital products. You may not have considered Etsy as a platform for book sales, but let me tell you, Etsy is more than just a marketplace for handmade goods. In fact, it's one of the best-kept secrets when it comes to selling digital products like coloring books, activity books, logbooks, and even KDP interior templates. Etsy has a strong global presence, with millions of visitors each month, and it ranks highly in the US, which means there's plenty of traffic for your books or digital downloads. What makes Etsy particularly attractive is its ease of use. The platform allows you to sell your digital books as instant downloads. For example, if you've created a printable coloring book or activity sheet, you can simply upload it to Etsy and start selling. Etsy charges a small listing fee of 20 cents per item and takes a little over 6% transaction fee, which is pretty reasonable for the exposure you're getting. Additionally, Etsy offers the option to sell physical books using third-party print-on-demand services like Printful. While Amazon KDP handles the entire print-on-demand process for you, Etsy requires you to connect with a third-party provider. But the upside is that you can get creative with your designs and offer more unique custom products. If you're selling niche or specialized books, Etsy might be the perfect place to showcase your work. Apple Books, a platform with high royalties and flexibility. Apple Books is another platform that often flies under the radar, but it should be on every self-publisher's radar. Apple has an extensive ecosystem of devices, and its Books app is integrated directly into those devices, giving you access to millions of readers who use iPhones, iPads, and Macs. Like Amazon KDP, Apple Books allows you to publish ebooks and audiobooks, but what sets it apart is its royalty structure. Apple offers 70% royalties on every book, regardless of price, and there are no file delivery fees, which makes it a more cost-effective platform compared to Amazon KDP. Another fantastic advantage is that Apple Books has no restrictions on offering free books to customers or paying for preferential store placement, unlike Amazon KDP, which can impose certain limitations. Additionally, Apple Books gives authors complete control over their pricing and doesn't engage in third-party advertising like Amazon does, which can sometimes result in ads that feel intrusive or irrelevant. With its high royalty percentage, flexibility in pricing, and lack of unnecessary fees, Apple Books stands as a strong alternative to KDP, particularly for authors who want to establish a more independent presence in the digital book marketplace. Teachers pay teachers. a niche market for educational content. Teachers Pay Teachers, TPT, is an excellent alternative for authors who focus on educational materials. While it is mainly a marketplace for teachers to buy and sell educational resources, TPT is an underappreciated gem for those who create printables like worksheets, activity books, kids' coloring books, and educational games. If you're in the educational publishing niche, TPT can be a lucrative platform. The site has a massive audience with over 24 million visits each month, which is an impressive amount of traffic for a niche platform. The main difference between TPT and other platforms is that you can only sell printables. There's no option for physical books or ebooks. However, if your work focuses on educational content, this shouldn't be a problem. Teachers and parents flock to TPT for high-quality printable resources, so if you have the right content, it's a great way to earn passive income. Gumroad, a simple platform for monetizing your skills. Gumroad is a platform that I absolutely love because it's so easy to use. It's a no-fuss way to monetize your creative work, whether that's ebooks, printables, worksheets, or even courses. One of the best parts of Gumroad is that it allows you to sell digital products like ebooks and printables with minimal barriers to entry. It's perfect for authors who want to quickly get their work online without dealing with too many complicated steps. However, one caveat is that Gumroad doesn't offer print-on-demand services. So if you want to sell print books, you would need to handle printing and shipping yourself. This could be a downside for some authors, but if you're looking to create a more niche product or offer something highly customized, Gumroad gives you full control. With a straightforward payment system and the ability to sell a wide range of digital products, Gumroad remains a strong alternative for independent authors. Kobo Writing Life, a global platform with a strong focus on indies. Kobo Writing Life is another great alternative for authors. Kobo has a strong international presence and is particularly popular in Canada and several European markets. Kobo Writing Life allows you to publish both ebooks and audiobooks, although, like Apple Books, you'll need an aggregator like Findaway Voices to distribute audiobooks. One of the major benefits of using Kobo is that they offer a free upload for your first audiobook, which is a great perk for authors who are just starting to dive into the world of audiobooks. In addition, Kobo has a strong selection of genres and categories, including business, nonfiction, science fiction, and memoirs. It's an excellent platform if you're looking for international reach and want to tap into markets outside of the US. Lulu, premium quality with customization. If you want to offer premium quality printed books, Lulu is a platform you should consider. Lulu lets you publish a wide range of books, ebooks, print books, photo books, calendars, and even yearbooks. Unlike Amazon KDP, which primarily offers paperback options, Lulu provides a variety of binding choices, including coil-bound and hardcover options. This gives authors a lot of flexibility in how they present their books. However, one downside is that Lulu's printing costs tend to be higher than Amazon's, which could cut into your profits. Still, if quality is your top priority and you want to offer a more premium product to your readers, Lulu could be a perfect fit. Plus, they offer global distribution, so your books can be sold through major retailers worldwide. Lastly, there's Barnes & Noble Press, which may not be as widely known as Amazon KDP, but it still has a solid user base. Barnes & Noble Press allows you to publish ebooks, audiobooks, and print books. You can reach millions of readers through the Nook platform and its online store. They offer a 70% royalty rate for ebooks, which is comparable to Amazon KDP, but the print book royalties are lower, which may make it less appealing for authors who are mainly focused on print. However, for authors looking to diversify and reach a different audience, Barnes & Noble Press can be a great way to expand your reach. Their Nook devices and online presence allow you to target a different group of readers than those on Amazon. Finally, IngramSpark is a platform that offers a powerful distribution network, making it one of the top alternatives to Amazon KDP. With IngramSpark, your book will be distributed to over 50,000 independent bookstores, online stores, libraries, and even universities. The platform offers both ebook and print book publishing, and it's known for its high-quality printing services. At the end of the day, Amazon KDP is still an excellent platform for most authors. However, it's crucial to explore alternatives to maximize your reach and income potential. The key to succeeding with these alternatives is focus and consistency. Pick a platform or two that aligns with your goals and stick with it. Over time, the effort you put into building your presence on these platforms will pay off, leading to a sustainable income stream. The most important thing is to stay persistent and keep pushing forward. Whether you're publishing ebooks, print books, or audiobooks, each platform has its strengths and can help you build a lasting and successful self-publishing business. Well, that sums it up, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos on KDP. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.